How's my little bird? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want some more? Do you want some more, little bird? Yes? Okay. Is that pretty good? Is that pretty good?
Can you wait for you to the table?
Bird?
Oh! Oh! Caught it! Sunny, back out. Back off.
Sonny, go. Oh, there's my little bird. Okay, I think our little bird's full. Nope.
So Mommy will heat up a lean cuisine tonight.
Oh, Lord. You gotta chew it, buddy. I know you got some teeth in there. Oh, okay. Passy break. Nope.
Just have to have a hit. Ow, 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 I'm here. I'm still in there that time. All right, Teddy, I gotta cut more.